We're going to go ahead and take down the engine. We've got like a night to do this before I have to go back to school. We're going to go ahead and start pulling parts off and get it taken down. Try and figure out what the cause of this whole lockage. If it's just rusty rings or if something's broken inside of there, we're about to find out.
I don't know if that was, I guess that's the only really way to take it apart. So I can see, right?
Well, it's part.
Yeah. This thing would not have ran very well. The coolant passageways, I mean, it would have just overheated. Look at this.
So yeah, when the camera was off, Alex just hooked a breaker bar up to here and broke it free. But it is absolutely disgusting in there, so.
Definitely needs a rebuild.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, the gasket came off. In yet? Good? Hopefully it's not some other reason in the drivetrain somewhere.
Alright, so we got it all apart. Took us a little over 3 hours. We're gonna wait and order parts and then have to wait a little while to put it back together. Everything came out pretty easy. We had a few hiccups along the way, but nothing too major. Everything was intact. It looked like it was just really rusted together. We finally got it to break loose. Just gonna order a simple rebuild kit, right?
Yeah, we made new valves and some other things.
Give Alex some time to work on some other stuff. I gotta go back to school, but we'll figure it out.